Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. And I just see the helicopter flashing. And I can see the helicopter flashing right now. Because I've never seen a helicopter before in the night. So, anyways, I can see the helicopter and heard the sound. You see this? Look. There's the helicopter here. Helicopter in the night clouds. You can see here. It's really just flashing. I can see it, like it can be seen flashing, flying above it, and then this is what it looks like. I can see still see a helicopter before. So we pardon. Just wait for it. I never see a helicopter before again. Still waiting. So a helicopter flies above my village, my town called Quinton. So it was revealed now. So I have heard helicopter. It sounds really weird. The sound of the helicopter looks really weird. Look at it. Really heard a really noise. I can see it here in the dark clouds. Very night clouds. Sorry, I still call it. So it's showy, and then it goes away. So thank you for watching, and goodbye. Okay, close the window.